I'm Tristan Bancks. I'm the author of Detention, The Fall, Two Wolves, the Tom Weekly series. I want to show you how I went about writing my book Detention.
The escape of 47 asylum seekers from an immigration detention centre just outside of Brisbane.
It's my latest book and I want to give you an insight into how I use all those images and video and music and maps and things in the development of a story. I might write notes in my notebook, I might do voice memos. I have an old typewriter and I decided to write chapters on it. Sam looks under the cubicle doors, full stop, all clear, full stop. He opens the door and a man jumps at him, grabs his shirt and sticks a sharp plastic thing to his throat. I make a soundtrack for every book that I write. I listen to a lot of Angus and Julia Stone and a band called Hang Massive who play a big steel drum. I want to read you the first chapter of Detention. It's called Escape. 5:28 a.m. From 6L, Zarko asks, what inspired you to write those books? Paul Jennings was a really big thing. That's what made me want to write short stories. I also have a great-great-uncle called Jim Banks, and he created a comic strip called Ginger Megs in about 1921.
Hey, Benny! You got the breaks!
For the 100th anniversary of Ginger Megs, I'm working on a book.
One small step for man, one giant leap for gingers.
Before we go, I want you to have a look at one more book trailer, and it's for My Life and Other Weaponized Muffins. Didn't work out as well as I had planned, but check it out. See you later. Bye. Hey, I'm Tristan Bancks, and I'm going to read to you from my new book of weird, funny, kind of gross short stories, My Life and Other Weaponized Muffins. What was that?
A muffin?
Why would you do that?
Because you said the book was about weaponized muffins, so I thought it'd be funny.
Who are you anyway?
I'm Tom Weekly.
No, you're not Tom Weekly.
Wanna bet?
Oh,